Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about how to take care of your Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. This car is a true performance icon, and keeping it in top shape is essential for both its looks and performance. Whether you're a new owner or a seasoned enthusiast, this video has something for you. Let's dive in. The Corvette ZR1 is a masterpiece of engineering, with a supercharged V8 engine, aerodynamic design, and track-ready performance. But owning this beast comes with responsibility. Let's break down how to care for your ZR1 so it stays in peak condition. 1. Oil changes. The ZR1's 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine needs clean oil to perform at its best. Stick to the manufacturer's recommended oil type and change intervals, usually every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. If you're tracking your car, consider changing the oil more frequently. 2. Tire care. The ZR1's high-performance tires are designed to handle its power. Check your tire pressure regularly and rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles to ensure even wear. 3. Brake system. The ZR1's carbon ceramic brakes are incredible, but they still need attention. Inspect the brake pads and rotors regularly, especially if you're pushing your car on the track. 4. Air filters. A clean air filter is essential for optimal engine performance. Check your air filter every 10,000 miles and replace it if it's dirty. It's an easy DIY task that can make a big difference. Now, let's talk about performance upgrades. The ZR1 is already a beast, but there are ways to take it to the next level. 1. Tuning. A performance tune can unlock even more power from your ZR1's engine. Companies like Hennessy and Lingenfilter offer tuning packages that can boost horsepower and torque. 2. Cold air intake. Upgrading to a high-flow cold air intake can improve airflow to the engine, resulting in better performance and throttle response. 3. Exhaust system. If you want to turn heads even more, consider upgrading to an aftermarket exhaust system. Brands like Borla and Casa offer systems that enhance both sound and performance. 4. Spark plugs. High-performance spark plugs can improve combustion efficiency, leading to better fuel economy and power. Look for iridium or platinum plugs designed for high-performance engines. Your ZR1 isn't just about performance, it's also a head-turner. Keeping it looking its best is just as important as keeping it running well. 1. Washing and waxing. Regular washes are a must to keep your ZR1's paint in pristine condition. Use a pH-balanced car shampoo and a microfiber wash mitt to avoid scratches. After washing, apply a high-quality wax or ceramic coating to protect the paint. 2. Wheel care. Clean your wheels regularly with a wheel cleaner designed for your specific wheel type. Don't forget to apply a wheel sealant to protect against brake dust and corrosion. 3. Interior maintenance. Keep the interior clean by vacuuming regularly and using a leather conditioner on the seats. If you have suede or Alcantara accents, use a specialized cleaner to maintain their texture. Thanks for watching and remember, take care of your ZR1 and if to take care of your. See you in the next video.